Georgia man killed deputy wife, her brother before they found out about his secret children. Cheating. DA. Jaquavia Jackson shot his wife multiple times as she was scrolling through Facebook while wrapped up in a blanket on her couch. A Georgia man killed his wife, who was a deputy sheriff, and her brother 2 years ago to keep his 2 children with another woman a secret, according to prosecutors. A Newton County jury last week found Jaquavia Jackson guilty of 2 counts of malice murder, 2 counts of felony murder, 2 counts of aggravated assault, and 2 counts of felony firearm possession in the 2021 slayings of his wife, Shakima Brown Jackson, and her brother, Levoy Brown. A daughter and a son were taken from a family in one horrific, premeditated incident. Nothing can ever make up for the tremendous loss of Shakima and Levoy. But this verdict holds the person responsible that took them from their family, Newton District Attorney Randy McGinley said in a statement. Newton County Sheriff's deputies found Shakima Jackson and Brown fatally shot inside a home on Windcrest Drive, October 21, 2021. At the time, Jaquavia Jackson was at the home and told authorities 2 unidentified men broke into the home and killed his wife and brother-in-law. Investigators later found out Jaquavia and Shakima were scheduled to appear in court the following morning to address claims from 2 women, saying the defendant had fathered children with them but had convinced someone else to do a DNA test, McGinley said in a press release. Jaquavia feared his wife would have found out the truth and extent of his lying and cheating at that hearing, the DA continued. Evidence against the defendant in his murder trial included surveillance footage from a neighbor showing no one entering or leaving the Jacksons' home the day Shakima and Brown were shot dead. Jaquavia also called a neighbor across the street the morning of the murders to ask if his security camera was working, and the neighbor told him it wasn't. Jaquavia also staged a gunshot that appeared to come from outside the house to make it look like intruders had fired inside at his wife and brother-in-law. Forensic evidence presented in court showed the defendant shot his wife multiple times while she was snuggled up in a blanket on the couch and scrolling through Facebook on her phone, the DA said. A sentencing hearing for Jaquavia will be scheduled in the near future. Shakima had only been a Fulton County Sheriff's Office deputy about a month when she was murdered. She was known for having a bubbly personality and always greeting inmates with, "Good morning," no matter how disrespectful they may have been, the Sheriff's Office said in an October 2021 statement following her death. This is a heartbreaking loss for the Fulton County Sheriff's Office, Fulton County Sheriff Patrick Labatt said in a statement at the time. This is a hard time for the Sheriff's Office, and we ask for your continued prayers.